Hey, we're here on Riviera Drive doing our final walkthrough verification of property. We're going to walk in here, make sure nobody's occupied it, nobody's damaged the property, and that nothing was taken from it. Also want to make sure that the repairs that we did request were completed. Let's take a look. All right, we got our first carbon monoxide detector there. Let's go. We got our laundry here. This exhaust fan was not working. We got action there. Garage door needs to automatically shut, which it does. That's good. All right, looks like they updated the straps on the water heater. Let's go take another look here. I see we got filters in there. Our second carbon monoxide detectors here. We got our GFIs. And nobody has occupied it. We're good to go. I see no damages or anything, nothing taken from here. It looks like we're ready to close, guys. Congrats. This should be done no later than next week.